Hello everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to add Facebook friend in Instagram. So for that, first thing is open the Instagram application, then get logged in into the account. So once you're at the home page, you need to go to the profile and there you tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right. Then tap on setting and privacy. For you to be able to add Facebook friend on Instagram, you need to connect your Facebook account and Instagram account first. Without that, you will not be able to add it. So once you're at the setting and privacy, you tap on account center, and to add that, there you need to tap on profile. There you will have the option to add account and you need to add your Facebook account over here. I already have my Facebook account right there, so I'm gonna go and show you the process for how you can add them. Now once you're at the setting and privacy, after linking your Facebook and the Instagram, you scroll down and there you need to tap on follow and invite friends inside how others can interact you. Tap that. You can see the invite friend option by WhatsApp, email, SMS and other. So you tap on invite friends by at the end and there you scroll down and open the Facebook. There's the Facebook and Facebook group. You tap on Facebook. When you tap on like this on Facebook news feed, you will be posting an invitation to Instagram itself. You tap on post and you will be able to add friend like this as well. This is a one way. I'm going to show you how you can do it. Another one, I'm going to discard this. Now going back. Now when you tap on your profile, you can see the option discover people. Tap on see all. Here are the Instagram user option in below. And also you can also see the source statement you can see on the suggested people for you. On this interface, when we come over here like this on your profile, you will find the people that are added by your friend or the friend from your Facebook. You will also have the option to sync your profile info, find your Facebook friend. You tap that. Now if you sync your Facebook and Instagram together, you will be easily be able to find the list as well. I'm going to tap on sync name and photo. Now you refresh it, you will be able to find the that are from your Facebook account as well. So this is a way how you can add Facebook friend on Instagram. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe to Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.